Hi, this is Matt here from Two-Way Direct, and today I'm going to show you guys some troubleshooting skills with audio accessories for your two-way radios. So our sample accessory here is a two-wire surveillance kit, but this will apply to any remote speaker mic, headset, or any other earpiece that you might be using with your radio. And for an example here, we have this VX264 from Vertex. So just going to go through a few things that you can troubleshoot with your accessory if you're having some issues. One common thing we see from our customers is, as you can see, this radio here is in the on position. Now if I go and plug this accessory into the side of the radio, it's not always going to recognize that the accessory has been attached to the radio since it's powered on. Also, you're going to anger a lot of your coworkers because this can key up the radio and send out a lot of scratching and static. So always remember, start with your radio powered off, then you're going to want to plug your accessory into the side, and then you can tighten it down, and then once you turn your radio on, then it's going to recognize that accessory a whole lot better rather than plugging it in while it's in the on position. So that's one common thing that we come across that you can easily avoid by just plugging in the accessory when the radio is powered off and then power it on. A couple other things. Focus back here on this accessory, the push a talk button here. This is something you can kind of easily check. If you just give this a few presses, you can check to make sure this is working. If this feels like it's not being depressed or making a connection, then you can easily narrow it down to the push to talk, and that might actually be in need of repair. One other common thing that we can easily figure out over the phone or through some simple troubleshooting is right here where the acoustic tube plugs into the earpiece. This has a quick disconnect right here, so you always want to make sure this is in the lock position. Because this has a quick disconnect, if it's twisted like this, it can pop in and out. So if I just plug this in and do not twist it, this is going to have a loose connection, which is going to cause poor receive audio into the earpiece. So you always want to make sure this is tightened down securely. Also, you want to make sure that your acoustic tube is in good condition. This is a brand new one, what it should look like. So it's nice and clear. There's no sludge or anything blocking it. You know, over time this is in your ear, so it is going to get dirty, so you either need to take care of these with soap and water, or we do sell replacement tubes by themselves. They come pre-packaged like this, and will actually come with an ear tip as well, so you can easily replace these when they begin to wear out. And we also have other accessories for those, like the memory foam tip here, or we do have custom ear molds. These are available in small, medium, or large, and you can wear them for your right or left ear. We just have one more troubleshooting test that we can do on two-way radios to determine if it has a bad accessory or if it might be a bad accessory jack on the side of the radio here. Now these do wear out over time, as employees will plug in their earpieces and remove them. It can wear out the audio jack. So what you can do is plug in an earpiece here, make sure it's all the way in there. Do a test with this. If you're still having issues with this plugged in, maybe rotate another accessory through. So we have a shoulder mic here. Rotate this through to the radio and see if this fixes the issue. Now if you plug this in and it works, then you know it was a bad earpiece. If it's still not working, you may have a bad audio jack here. So that's one quick test you can do. Just take an audio accessory you know to be good, rotate it through the radio so you can save a little time determining whether you need to send in the radio or one of the audio accessories. And that's another troubleshooting tip from Two-Way Direct.